Hey y'all, just wanted to do a quick little video of these necklaces I put together for a Christmas order I had going, and I'm so glad I finally got it completed. I've had so much going on lately, but I wanted to show you these real quick, and this is these pendants, these beautiful stone pendants. This is jasper. I get these at Michael's, and they're a blue tag item, which they're $9.99 full price, and if you wait, they will have sales where they do half off of these, and they have some really good sales sometimes, but you got to jump on it when they have them. So I do have a tutorial on how to do this style, and I have a tutorial on how to do another style, which I'll show you when we get to it. And then I will leave video links at the end of this video so that you can watch those tutorials if you like. Here's how I do it. I just put these in this nice little gift box, and I order these gift boxes on eBay. I order them by the case, and then it just lays in there beautifully, and you close it up for the person. I'm just gonna blow through these real quick. They're really fun and beautiful. These are some bone beads. Now I get these at a place called Orr's Trading Post, and that's, I believe, ORRS, but you could probably just look up bone beads online. I think Fire Mountain Gems might carry them as well. So there's that one. I'm just going to go pretty fast here. Got quite a few to get through. Here's another beautiful one. This is a dyed jasper stone from Michael's, and some bone beads here on this one. And then I like to use hemp string and a little lobster clasp and some little ribbon clamps to close it all together, and I show you all that in the video. This one's really pretty. I really like this little stone very much. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I thought the silver looked really nice with this one. Here's another jasper with the bone beads. Some of the jasper pendant stones are really, really incredibly detailed with different colors and different little things going on in them. They're very intricate and beautiful, I think. And then of course some more bone beads on that one too. I think I did bone beads on a lot of these, most of them. Here's another really beautiful little blue crystal. And these are not adjustable just because of the fact that the pendant is really kind of locked into its position. So when you make these, whoever you're making them for or yourself, just get your desired length and make them that length. I like to lock down the pendant. I think it looks nice. Plus it keeps the pendant straight where you're not having the clasp roll around on you all the time. These are some really neat, interesting little beads I got at Michael's, and I'm not sure what they are, but I just really like the look of them. Couple more of that style, and then we'll move on to, I've got two more styles here. This one's very similar to the one I just showed you. I did this one. It's just a sliver. The front view is a sliver, which I really like that. Here's the side view of this. I just like that look of that little sliver. I don't get too many beads like that, so that one was fun to make. And this is the last one of that particular style. This is another dyed jasper stone. And they have these in all different colors. I just got a strand. Let me show you real quick. I got a strand to make some of these. and I ended up not using them for these gifts, but these two were on the strand that I got, and I'm keeping them. I'm gonna make a couple necklaces for myself out of these two. And the strand, you get 7 to 10 of these beads, and it's a $10 strand, but of course you wait for the sales and you can get them for $5. They're just fun. And then now this I call my ragamuffin style. And I do not have a tutorial on how to make these yet. It's fabric tied, and it's actually quite simple. It's really the same concept of what I just showed you, these ones here. It's the same. It's tying knots and adding beads is all you're doing, you know. But I really like the greens in this. I think they're so fun. And then I put this beautiful little feather. And this is, I believe, a Poetic Spirit product, this little feather from Hobby Lobby. And then again, the dyed jasper green. And look at those neon greens in there. They really play off of this fabric so beautifully. So those dyed jaspers are really spectacular looking, I think. Here's another ragamuffin. I just like calling them ragamuffin because I tear the fabric so that it will fray. And you get this beautiful little pendant out of it. And I've got one more of those to show you. I love how this one came out. I'm trying to be all orderly and it's not working out for me. Okay, let's get this the right way. So here's the last ragamuffin one I did. And it's these beautiful crystal pendants. You can get these at Michael's on the blue strands, just like the jaspers. And then I did some little white bone bead and tied the fabric, of course, and did these ribbon clasps work really beautifully for this job here. I use these often. I've got a tribal feather video that I use these ribbon clasps in, and you can make a lot of tribal feather embellishments and earrings and all kinds of stuff, and those just work great for that. Now these are some stone necklaces that I stone and bone, and actually lava too. I got a bunch of these cabochons at an auction, as I said in a different video. And then these are some bone beads that I have. And these ones here, they're really gorgeous. These black ones, they're lava beads. And then I get the turtle and the elephant beads at Michael's as well. The bone beads come from Orr's Trading Post, and these black carved bone beads came from Fire Mountain Gems. I really love this. It looks like a desert mountain landscape to me. Almost like this necklace has such a African vibe to it, I think. I just really like this necklace so much. It's even kind of hard to give away. I like it so much. And then here's another one of the stone necklaces with the beautiful, now this is a lace agate cabochon, and I had a few of these in the lot of cabochons that I got at the auction, but I did not have very many of the lace agate, so I love this gorgeous look. It's one of my all-time favorite stones. And then I got these beautiful pink stone beads at a gem show. So if you have gem shows come to your area, you can really pick up some just stunning, gorgeous, gorgeous supplies from them. And then of course this style is made out of wire, and I will link the tutorial at the end for this style here. And you want to use wire when you're working with stone beads because you want it to last forever. You want these to last a really long time. Here's another lace agate cabochon. And these are really some beautiful and unique glass beads that I picked up at Joann's, this right here. And if I remember right, they were not the least expensive, so I really do, of course, wait for all the sales. And then this one's got a little turtle and a little elephant on it. I like to shake up the pattern a little bit here and there because I think it adds interest. But a lot of these, you know, they have the same pattern coming down, and then you just change a bead or you change up the pattern the tiniest bit. I really like to do that. And then I've got just one more to show you today, and that's this beautiful tiger's eye cabochon. And I think this was the only tiger's eye piece that I got in that lot of cabochons. And then these stone beads I got at that same gem show, and then I've got a lot of seashell beads on this one. I really love to use natural stuff. I've got a lot of tiger's eye on this necklace as well to play off of the beautiful tiger's eye pendant. So that's all of these for this kit, and thanks for joining me today. And please check out those tutorials on how to make those necklaces, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.